You've been paying attention, you know that cryptocurrency is back on the rise, as I always said it would do. It's going to go down, then it's going to shoot right back up even higher than it was before. If you don't have any crypto yet, now's the time to jump on this because it's on an upward trend. It's going to keep going up, so now's the time you want to get it, okay? I'm going to show you a free way to do that today. But first, I need you to subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Just hit that little red subscribe button down there in the right-hand corner. Do it for me. Do it for you. Do it for free cryptocurrency. Hey people, you're gonna love this one. We're talking all about Bitcoin. I know you know what Bitcoin is, and you probably got a little FOMO because you missed out on this, because it used to be like 50 cents for one Bitcoin, and then it just shot up to like $65,000 per Bitcoin. People got super rich. People became billionaires on this stuff. But what if I told you you don't have to pay for Bitcoin? I've got two different ways that you can get free Bitcoin. Okay, look at this. Look at the price right now, okay? The price is low. It has dropped, but it's still over $35,000 per coin, okay? What does that mean? That means now is the time to get your Bitcoin, okay? I want you to look at this. Look at these projections. These guys are some of the smartest guys in the crypto industry. They are predicting huge numbers for Bitcoin coming up in just the next couple years. You need to jump on this right now. Check this out right here. These people are already using one of the methods I'm going to tell you about today to earn Bitcoin. And you can earn Bitcoin basically for doing nothing in as little as 30 seconds. If you just want to spend 30 seconds per day, you will get free Bitcoin. Okay, I'm going to lead you down this magical path through this magical door into the world of free Bitcoin. If that sounds good to you, hit the like button for me. I appreciate that. And as an added bonus, just for signing up to one of these free sites I'm going to show you today, you're going to get $5 instantly in free Bitcoin. Okay, that's $5 just for putting in your email address, basically. And keep in mind, everything I'm going to show you today is absolutely free. There is no investment necessary. Anybody can do this. All you're going to need is a computer, a phone, just a way to get on the internet. That's it. But I want you guys to realize something. If everybody else, they're going to show you one way to do this, but since I love you, I'm going to show you two ways to do this simultaneously, just so you can get double the Bitcoin. So you need to stay till the very end of the video, because when I get done telling you about the second method, I got a bonus tip for you guys. I got a bonus tip that's going to quadruple it, okay? This is too easy. Now, you are going to need a computer for that little secret, okay? So you need a laptop, you need a computer, but trust me, you're going to be raking in the Bitcoin. It's going to be raining Bitcoin into your Bitcoin wallet. You're about to love me. Now, I normally don't brag about money. I just like to show you guys, the methods, but I just want to show you what I did with money that I made just from using these methods I'm going to show you today. This is me this last year during the quarantine in Hawaii, using money that I made from these two methods. I cashed in some Bitcoin, took a little vacation, all from what I'm about to show you today. So if you're ready to make free Bitcoin in as little as 30 seconds, hit the like button for me and subscribe to the channel. We're going to get started right now. Okay, the first thing you need to do is sign up for a Coinbase account. Now, Coinbase is the world's most popular platform to buy and sell every cryptocurrency out there. Okay, and this is where you're going to get that free $5 in Bitcoin just for signing up. Okay, they're going to give you $5 right off the bat in free Bitcoin. Now, since I didn't lie to you about that, you owe me a subscribe and a like, so do that now. Thank you very much. This is totally free to do. However, you do need to be 18 years of age to sign up for this. So this is going to be your Bitcoin wallet, and this is what you're going to need to collect all that Bitcoin that I'm going to help you make. Once you've signed up for your new Coinbase account, you want to come up here to the right-hand side where it says send and receive, and just punch that. Okay, and we're going to want to come down to the bottom here, and where it says pay with, you want to change that to Bitcoin. Okay, push Bitcoin there. Then you want to hit receive, and that's going to give you this little code right here. So copy that code, and then you're going to go over to a site called bitcoinget.com. bitcoinget.com. This is where you're going to get your free Bitcoin, and you want to paste your code from Coinbase right up in here, okay? Now it's time for you to start earning free Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin Get is pretty cool. There's different things you can do here, different ways you can earn that free Bitcoin. So you can complete these surveys, and you can see there's all these different surveys. Now I don't like doing the surveys personally because you can see that some of these take 12 minutes. Well, here's one that's 4 minutes and all that, and you can see when you complete it you get what's called bits, and these bits you can cash those in for Bitcoin. So let me just take you through this site a little bit. One thing you can do with the surveys, if you want to make more bits from taking the surveys, is you can complete some questions here that kind of let this site know more about you, and they're going to give you surveys that are going to pay you out more. So if you want to take the time to go through some of these and give them a little more information about yourself, it's totally safe and free. You can do that, and then you can take surveys that are gonna pay you more. Now what I like to do here, I like to go to watch videos, okay? Watch videos. And this is the reason why I like the videos, because these take way less time. You only have to watch these things for 30 seconds. Just hit it, let it play for 30 seconds, and boom, you've earned the bits that cash out into Bitcoin, okay? So that's what I like to do. And this is a fun site. You can basically just hit play, let it run, whatever. So bitcoinget.com is the first site I'm going to show you here to get this free Bitcoin. Now I'm going to take you to the second one. I promised you a second way to do this, and this one I think's even better. You're going to love it. Now go to a site called paidverts.com. Kind of sounds like perverts, doesn't it? I just thought of that. Paidverts.com. This one I like even better because, as I promised you at the end, I've got a secret hack for this one. I have found out how to take full advantage of this site. You're not going to believe it. So just create an account, very simple, your email address, a password, and date of birth, and all that. Open an account. It's as simple as that. Okay, welcome to paidverts.com. This one's crazy, okay? This one has so much stuff you can do to earn free Bitcoin. It's insane. Now, just like Bitcoin Get has bits, these are called BAPs, okay? So you're earning BAPs here. So let me just show you, let me just take you through this real quick. Number one, you've got your dashboard over here. We don't really need to deal with that. You want to start with paid ads right here. Just hit paid ads, and you're going to see all these ads that you can click on. Now with these, you only have to stay on them for 30 seconds. You have to just open it up, keep it open for 30 seconds, close it, and you can see you get 15 BAPs for all these. Now with this site, the more you are on here, the more they are going to compensate you. So when you first sign up, you might not be getting 15 BAPs per ad. It might be like, I don't know, 9 to 10, something like that. But the more times you do this, they're going to love you, and they're going to reward you for that. Okay? So there's other things you can do here. You can go to these games right here. See, hit games, and there's all these games you can play where if you win, see, I like this one right here. This is, no, not that one. Well, that one gives you 400 BAPs. So Minesweeper right here. This one's easy. Minesweeper will pay you 400 BAPs if you win. So basically, you can sit here and play video games and make money if you win, okay? This is crazy. Now, I told you I had a way to take advantage of this site, and I do. And since you stayed until the end, I'm gonna reward you with that. So if you're still with me, like the video, please. Boom, do it now. Thank you. So the secret hack is this. You want to go to this click grid right here. See that click grid? Okay. Now what this is all these, and this is not loading up for me. Let me refresh this real quick. Hang on. Okay, change picture. Let's see. We're gonna go back to click grid here. Here we go. Oh, you know what? I just took out all my funds out of the site, so it's not letting me play. So normally what this is going to be a picture, and I just withdrew a bunch of funds from this. So this will be a picture with all these little squares, and what you do is you click on them, and an ad will pop up, And again, you have to stay on that for 30 seconds. But what I figured out with this is that you can click on one of these, open up a new tab, come back in to paid verts, and just keep doing it. And you can run these on as many tabs as you can open and be making all that money. Instead of just opening up one, letting it play for 30 seconds, going back, you can open up so many tabs on this and just let them all play, and you're just making money on top of money. And these will refresh every 12 hours. So I don't even know how much this is, like 500 of these squares. Every 12 hours, this will refresh and give you a new opportunity to do that. So that's what I do. That's how I've made so much Bitcoin on this. That's how I went to Hawaii, by going to Click Grid right here. And when you sign up, this will be available to you. Since I just withdrew all my funds, you can see I had $38,000 in here. So they're not liking me right now because I took all my money out because I want to get paid. So there you have it, paidverts.com and bitcoinget.com. First, you need a Coinbase account. That's it, folks. Go out and get that Bitcoin. Get it right now, because Bitcoin, the price has gone down. It's relatively cheap. And you saw that it could go up to $500,000 in the next couple years. So collect it now, cash in later. Thank you for watching.